Kristen Copeland. Jason is off tonight. Torrential rain and flash flooding have Ontario and Orange counties under states of emergency. As for here at home, we are under a flood watch, but we really lucked out. Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis is tracking.
Yeah, that's right, Kristen. Seeing the same rain from the same weather system that created historic flooding to our south and east. Locally, we've been spared the worst of this. We're going to continue to keep an eye on things really closely as this system is not quite done yet. We're taking a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Steady soaking rain continues for Oneida and Herkimer counties. And we could see some minor flooding with this, with many areas already picking up an inch or two of rain. We have seen some locally higher amounts, but we're not expecting anything that's happened in other parts of the state here. This rain is going to come to an end as we head into this evening. Totals so far, again, most of us picking up just under an inch of rain, but we did have some higher numbers. Coldbrook over 2 inches of rain today. Current temperature is 67 degrees. Again, it's cool out there with the rain, and we'll have a continuation of rain this evening, but things will dry out tomorrow. And we are going to see some much more humid weather later this week. In addition to that, more storm chances. Look at the forecasts coming up. Kristen, back to you.
Let's look now at that video from Orange and Ontario counties. This is deadly flash flooding. Someone in the Hudson Valley drowned as she was trying to leave her home. In addition to the fatality and storm damage, numerous people have been stranded in cars because of the water. The governor says while she hasn't requested a federal disaster declaration, the White House told her they will help however they can.
The first step is assessment. Assess the damage, assess the monetary value of the damage so we can put in our request for FEMA assistance to help the communities have the resources they need to rebuild. Also spoke at the White House, offered assistance in any way possible just minutes ago.
The governor also said additional resources from various state agencies are ready to be deployed to other areas around the state as needed. 2 dogs are dead after being left in.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired.
Good evening. We continue to track rainfall across the region with such heavy rainfall taking place to our east and south and being under a flood watch. There is still the chance that we could see some minor flooding with the same weather system that's impacting our area. Here's a live look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. The rain continues to fall across southern Oneida and southern Herkimer counties, and it's just not moving very quickly. This is a look at how things have changed, or how they really haven't changed much over the past hour. Again, the steady rainfall continues for the thruway corridor. This is going to end as we head into this evening, but again, some minor flooding is possible, mainly in poor drainage areas and areas that typically get some minor flooding. And this is a live look outside in downtown Utica. Again, just a dreary day as that rain has settled in. Things are going to change tomorrow. The rain comes to an end. It will get a chance to dry out. Should be a very nice day tomorrow with temperatures warming up quite a bit. On Wednesday, we have the chance of some thunderstorms. This looks to be mainly south of the Mohawk Valley. And then Thursday and Friday, and moving forward, we're going to get into this weather pattern that we've seen so far this summer quite frequently, these pop-up showers and thunderstorms. And part of this also has to do with the change in the environment. It's going to get a lot more humid again as you head into the end of the week. We'll get a break from the humidity tomorrow and Wednesday, but you'll start to notice it in force beginning Thursday as temperatures really start to warm up. Barneveld picking up 1.25 inches of rain today. This is a look at some of our Skywatchers, temperatures and rainfall included. Mohawk just shy of a 1/2 inch of rain, 0.84 of an inch of rain in Old Forge. Bob and Clinton picking up 3/4 inch of rain today. The rainfall, at least the one report we had across the Southern Valley, is not quite as high. Edmonston, about 1/3 inch of rain. Temperatures are much cooler today, in the 60s this evening, again, due to the rainfall. Low pressure moves to the east finally, and that will give us a chance to dry out. This is a very slow-moving system, and that's one of the reasons why the flooding was much worse across southern New York State and Vermont, where they were in the epicenter of rainfall that, again, just didn't really move very much here over the past 24 hours. Tonight, decreasing clouds, patchy fog, overnight lows drop down into the low 60s. A nice day tomorrow. It's sunny and it's warm. Temperatures climb into the upper 80s. the chance of a passing shower or thunderstorm on Wednesday. This looks to be mainly south of the Mohawk Valley. Wednesday's high temperature in the low to mid 80s. Rain ends tonight down to 60 degrees. Tomorrow we're looking at sunshine, a nice day, and the nicest day of the week, a high of 87. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. The humidity builds as we head into the end of the week, and we are going to be tracking the chance for pop-up showers and thunderstorms just about every day going forward, with locally heavy rainfall still in the cards, something we're going to have to keep an eye on. We'll just take it day by day as we head towards the weekend.
All right, Bill, thank you. Still to come here on News Channel 2.
Thanks for joining us. Boilermaker weekend is sadly coming to a close. And if you blinked and missed it, don't worry, because we're going to get you all caught up on today's happenings, starting with the weather. Let's get a look at first weather with meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening. We really lucked out today in the Utica area for our Boilermaker forecast. We cut it close with some storms south of us, but only a brief shower earlier on this morning. Scattered showers across the area do slowly come to an end tonight before they return tomorrow. So, of course, that's our weather headline, at least the main one for tonight. Again, these scattered showers do slowly come to an end. They return tomorrow morning and will linger on throughout the day and overnight into early tomorrow morning. But beyond that, we do dry out Tuesday. But again, we do return to more scattered showers as we approach the end of the work week. So again, tonight, increasing clouds once more, temperatures down into the mid to lower 60s. A brief dry period before rain showers return once more. We're tracking the rain showers, what to expect for tomorrow, plus the week ahead coming up. Back over to you, Mark.
All right, thank you, Eric. Boilermaker.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. Here is a look at the forecast for tomorrow, starting out with temperatures already in the mid to upper 60s by the early to mid morning, only approaching the low to mid 70s by the afternoon, so not as warm as we've been seeing over the past few days. And our weather grades, maybe a few lingering showers in the morning. Some of us will start out dry, but scattered showers and storms will approach from the east throughout the day tomorrow, and some could produce some locally heavy rainfall and localized flooding, but the risk at this point is currently low. And looking at the week ahead, again, scattered showers and storms for tomorrow, highs in the low to mid 70s. An early morning shower possible for Tuesday, but we do have a nice afternoon with only a stray shower or storm beyond that. Looking to be the warmest day of the week too as well, with highs in the mid 80s. As we approach Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I have it highlighted in yellow because we can't determine exactly when the rain showers will develop, but we'll let you know they're on and off rain showers for at least for these 3 days. And again, the timing is currently uncertain, and temperatures will still linger in the low to mid 70s. And this is all due to a weather pattern known as a Greenland high pressure block. So, as I zoom out a little bit, this is the Greenland high pressure, and it's notable because it's keeping this stagnant low pressure northeast of us, or northwest of us, from moving to the east. And instead it's moving north, it's moving south, it's moving backwards and forwards, but it can't quite dislodge itself from just above us. And that of course means scattered showers and storms are possible for a lot of the area as we approach the next several days. So tonight, we do have dry conditions to start out. Those scattered showers and storms return by early tomorrow morning and will linger around throughout the day as well. Some periods of dry conditions will move in, especially in the mid to late afternoon. As a low pressure system departs slowly to the east, we gradually dry out Monday evening, but still some lingering showers could return by early Tuesday morning, but this will come to an end by Tuesday afternoon as clouds diminish and sunshine peaks out, with highs reaching the low to mid 80s. Only a very small chance for an isolated shower or storm, especially in higher elevations south of the Mohawk Valley. You can see right here. As we approach tonight, though, we do see some scattered showers return. We briefly dry out for some of us, and then tomorrow, a high of 72 with scattered showers and storms throughout the day. Our 7-day forecast, I would say my pick of the week obviously would be Tuesday because it looks to be the driest of the next 7, as again scattered showers and storms for Monday. Dry conditions for Tuesday, but we return to scattered showers and storms on and off Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
All right, next we're going to